Portage is conveying a huge number of new choices to the Mustang for 2019. The enormous one is another version of the California Special Appearance Bundle. It's basically what you'd expect, with blurring side stripe as on past variants, however climbed to the center of the entryway rather than the base on the 2016 rendition. The bundle likewise includes thick counterfeit scoops on the back bumpers, and custom dark grille with the vintage Mustang identification moved to the side. It additionally includes a dark and red California Special identification on the storage compartment top, interesting 5-topped wheels, and a Performance Pack 1 front splitter. Inside are seats with softened cowhide trim and decorated GT/CS logos and floor mats with weaved logos. There are some utilitarian choices that will be accessible, as well. Every one of the 2019 Mustang GTS with manual transmissions will have a rev coordinating capacity for smooth downshifts that don't expect you to do your own particular foot-sole area and toe work. Despite the fact that it's not accessible on the Mustang EcoBoost, the EcoBoost with the Performance Pack will now have an accessible dynamic fumes that can be tranquil or uproarious relying upon your state of mind or environment. A 1000-watt 12-speaker B&O Play sound framework will likewise be a choice. This variety of new highlights would then be able to be matched with more extensive exhibit of outside views. Portage has of now demonstrated the Bullet version's Highland Green, however 2 new shades including Velocity Blue and Need for Green have been reported. The hues presently can't seem to be appeared, however we're interested about the hues. Specifically, we think about whether Need for Green will be as striking as Gotta Have It Green from a couple of years back. Estimating for these choices and the 2019 Mustang have not been discharged yet. The organization announced that the new model year autos will go on special this late spring.